Here exploring 8 steps in the creative process that allow us to really do a check and balance on how we're moving through the world, and we're putting everything into a container of creating harmony and justice for all at this moment in time, which is pivotal. And we may not understand what we can each do. So I hope you'll start with the first video, and what is your fondest dream? And really allow that dream to speak to your heart and to your soul so that it evolves into a vision that you do research on. The research stimulates action. The action up-levels your creative voice. And then we get to step 6, which is today's little video. And this video is about really being honest with yourself. You have an other side, you have a shadow side, you have a side that wants to annihilate your creative voice and tamp you down and damp you down and keep you silenced and keep you afraid and keep you closed off and keep you shut off and keep you shut away. And so we want to look at that part. We want to be willing to recognize that we all have a dark side. We all have a shadow. And our shadow is often referred to as our ego. And I like that Wayne Dyer made the ego into an acronym called EGO, easing God out, easing out our higher, best nature. And that's what happens to all of us. We all have that part. So in this 6th step of the creative process, we want to remember from a Buddhist perspective, whenever we're pointing a finger out there and saying it's them, it's their fault, there's 3 fingers pointing back at us. And so the first step in step 6 of the creative process is to say, am I being honest with myself? Have I looked at my shadow today? Do I see where my fear wants to stop me from being visible and representing creative harmony and justice for all?